Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals and concepts not available in any book or over the web. Most trusted channel and resource to build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk and IT compliance. Friends, as part of our ITGC journey, I already have over 125 videos related to various control areas across application server and database layers with a new video every week on my channel, so please leverage them to understand these concepts thoroughly and build or advance your career. Now, in continuation of our walkthrough question series, today I will cover an important concept, the next control area related to the walkthrough questions for account access review or user recertification control area, which again falls under logical access ITGC category. It will deepen your knowledge on what questions to ask during walkthroughs, as it is important to understand this for any risk, security, control, compliance, or audit assessment. Before I dive into the questions, friends, just a quick recap. Key purpose of any walkthrough is to walk through a process area with the process owners to understand the end-to-end process from a design perspective. That's the whole key objective of any walkthrough. Therefore, you need to prepare your questions for a successful walkthrough. Now let us discuss the key walkthrough questions related to account access review or user recertification control area, which will be applicable across all layers, application, server, and database. So the questions will remain the same. Doesn't matter which walkthrough you're performing at which layer, but of course the responses will differ based on the nature of the environment. First question is the simplest opening question, right? How is the account access review performed? I have put some slight pointers in blue which will tell you what is the intent of the question, in case you need to dive in or provide some more context around what this question is all about, what you're looking for. Like in this case, when you say or ask how is the account access review performed, typically we are looking for is the process manual in nature, wherein listing of all accounts and their associated roles are extracted and manually sent to an approver or multiple reviewers, and based on the review an action is taken if required, like removal of account which belong to maybe terminated user. Or the process is fully automated, where the system triggers the review at a given frequency, let's assume semi-annual, and then each approver gets an automated notification to review their accounts and the associated roles up till a certain date. There might be a deadline which the system decides. Now based on the review, the system takes required action like removal of account if there are any indications of that in the review. If something of that nature is identified as part of the review, the system will automatically take the required action. So that's what that manual versus automated means. So it all depends on what is the process for account access review, and that's the first question we're going to ask.